Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing Game Pass Ultimate because cloud streaming requires it. Make sure your subscription and Microsoft account are ready. Once done, connect the phone to a stable 5G or strong Wi-Fi network and close background apps to reduce latency. Now install the official Xbox app or open a supported browser and sign in with the same Microsoft ID as your Game Pass. This links your profile and entitles you to the cloud library, so you can launch games on your phone. You now configure controls and quality to keep gameplay smooth. First, pair an Xbox controller over Bluetooth for native input, or accept on-screen touch if you prefer. Pairing is in phone Bluetooth settings, and the Xbox app will confirm. Then open the cloud gaming section and choose a game. Make sure streaming quality is set to auto or select 720p/1080p depending on your measured bandwidth. Also enable any low latency or data saver options. These adjustments, you're ready to launch and play. Tap play and the game streams to your phone using cloud servers, with saves syncing automatically. During sessions, make sure your phone stays on the same network and conserve battery to avoid interruptions. If you see stutter or disconnects, switch networks, move nearer the router, or reduce quality to 720p. If sign-in or controller issues occur, restart the Xbox app, confirm your Game Pass status, and repair the controller. That single troubleshooting step resolves most connection problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.